Domain 5 of the Certified Information Systems Security Professional (CISSP) exam focuses on identity and access management. This domain covers the principles, processes, and technologies involved in managing user identities and controlling their access to resources. Here are the key concepts covered in this domain. Access control systems and methodology. Understanding the various methods and models for controlling access to resources, including discretionary, mandatory, and role-based access control. Identification and authentication, I&A, differentiating between identification, claiming an identity, and authentication, proving that identity, and understanding different authentication factors, something you know, have, or are. Single sign-on, SSO, implementing SSO solutions that allow users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple systems and applications. Authorization and accountability, defining what resources users can access after authentication and establishing accountability for actions taken within the system. Password management, implementing password policies, best practices for password creation, storage, and recovery, and techniques for mitigating password-related risks. Biometric authentication, understanding biometric methods, fingerprints, retina scans, facial recognition, for user authentication and their strengths and limitations. Multifactor authentication, MFA, implementing MFA to require multiple authentication factors for enhanced security. Federated Identity Management, allowing users to access resources across different systems and organizations using a single set of credentials. Access control models, understanding various access control models, such as Bell-LaPadula, Biba, Clark-Wilson, and their application in different scenarios. Access control attacks, recognizing and mitigating access control attacks, including privilege escalation, unauthorized access, and abuse of access rights. Directory services and user management, managing user identities and attributes through directory services like Active Directory and LDAP. Access control administration, defining user roles, permissions, and access rights in line with the principle of least privilege, POLP. Identity as a service, IDaaS, leveraging cloud-based services for identity and access management, including user provisioning and authentication. User provisioning and deprovisioning, automating the process of granting and removing access to resources as users join, change roles, or leave the organization. Role-based access control, RBAC, assigning permissions based on user roles to simplify access management and reduce complexity. Account lifecycle management, managing user accounts from creation to deactivation or deletion, including periodic review of access rights. Access control technologies, implementing technologies such as access control lists, ACLs, security groups, and application-level access controls. Access control testing and review, conducting periodic reviews and audits of access controls to ensure they are effective and aligned with policies. Domain 5 emphasizes the importance of managing user identities and controlling their access to resources to prevent unauthorized access and ensure data confidentiality and integrity. It covers a wide range of authentication, authorization, and access control concepts and methods to establish secure and manageable access to organizational systems and data. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.